Are you scared of balloons? Don't be scared. Diba? Si Idol Daddy mo, matapang yun, ha? Don't be scared. So, you're going to pop this balloon using the most famous ninja weapon in the world. What is that, guys? Katana? Any idea? Samurai? What else? What else? Ano papaya? Ano papaya? Papaya, bro. Pagkain yun. What's the most famous? Katana? Samurai? Sword? Okay. You want this? Alright. Nathan will be using the most famous ninja weapon in the world to pop the balloon, the baby Armalite. Iba? Hindi ba ninja to, teacher? Iba ba yung ninja? Iba ba yata yung pinanood natin? Rambo yata yung napanood natin. Sige, do you know how to use this? You pull the trigger, this one, sniper. Diba? Ay, baka may tamaan na si Octopus. Guys, cover your ears. This will be very loud. We're going to use a gun. Cover your ears. Cover your ears and cover your mouth. Ayan, ayan. Watch. Oh, avoid the light. Abono tayo. Ha? Ready? Sniper. Target. Then, target lock. Shoot the balloon. Shoot. Nathan. 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 Ha? Ito. Nathan, shoot. Ha? Oh. Wah! You do it, man. For sure, we can pop that. So guys, if you see this in your houses, do not play with this. You hold. I will smash, ha? Eh, baliktad. You smash or I smash? You hold, I smash, or I hold, you smash? I smash. You smash. Oh. You smash here, ha? Not here, ha? Smash this, not this, ha? Ready? This will be very...